Unveiling the power within your Mazda CX-5, the ultimate workshop manual experience. Are you ready to take control of your Mazda CX-5 KE 2012 to 2017 like never before? Introducing the official workshop manual plus wiring diagrams, the very same manual used by Mazda services and professionals during the manufacturing and maintenance of your car. The blueprint to your car's heart. This factory repair service manual, equivalent to the ones used by the car manufacturer, is a treasure trove of over 2,187 pages of technical wisdom. From engine intricacies to exterior body panels, this manual covers it all, providing step-by-step repair instructions, illustrations, and wiring diagrams. What's inside? Engine rebuild and maintenance guidelines. Advanced repairs for gearbox, brakes, suspension, and steering. Interior and exterior components unveiled. Comprehensive electrical systems insights with wiring diagrams. Table of contents highlights. Servicing and general repairs. Troubleshooting and diagnostics advice. Interior and exterior body panel guidelines. Wiring diagrams for in-depth electrical insights. How to access the wisdom. Choose. Pay. Download instantly after payment. Inside the workshop manual. Follow like a pro. Use the same processes as recommended by the car manufacturer. Universal compatibility. Compatible with Android, iOS, Windows, Linux, and all devices. Recoverable. Download and save the manual on every device. Search and print. Easily find any keyword and print any page or chapter. Why choose our workshop manual? Official factory manual, complete, original, and approved by the car manufacturer. Eco-friendly. Choose PDF for a green approach and instant accessibility. Safety first. Our manuals are 100% free of viruses and spyware. Order now and save thousands. With this complete workshop manual, you become the master of your Mazda CX-5's destiny. Save thousands on repairs, follow the official guidelines, and drive with confidence. Order your official factory workshop service and repair manual now. Your journey to automotive empowerment begins instantly.